Hello, first grade writers. I am very excited about your journal assignment today. I thought I would show you an example of what one of my journals would look like to help you get started today. So, first things first when we are doing a journal entry is to take a few minutes to brainstorm our topic. Your writing prompt today says, if you could build a house anywhere you wanted, where would you build it? What would you build it out of? What kind of things would you do at your house? We are going to use our senses to write about this topic today, boys and girls. So, first things first, brainstorm. If you could put a house anywhere, where would you put it? What would you make it out of? Would you make it out of Legos? Or bricks? Or Jell-O? What would your house be made out of, and what kind of things would you do there? So, boys and girls, when you are creating a journal entry, the first thing is to create your title and underline it. The title of my journal today is My House, and I underlined it. Then, boys and girls, I started with 4 finger spaces to indent my paragraph. We always start a journal with 4 finger spaces. And remember to use 2 finger spaces between each word and use your very best first grade handwriting, writing high 5 writing sentences. All right, I'm going to read my journal to you today, boys and girls, and I would like for you to listen and see if you hear some sense words. I would build a house in a tall tree. It would be made out of smooth wood. I would have a giant rope swing. I will feel the soft breeze when I swing. I will smell the other trees. I will hear birds chirping in the morning. I would have so much fun in my house. And then, boys and girls, after you write at least 3 high 5 sentences, you may draw and then color your picture. All right, happy writing.